Hi there everyone, and here is Riyadh with my channel, me and my cube boy. Today I'm gonna show you 5 awesome apps for Rubik's Cube timer. And the first timer is Cube Timer. This app is awesome because we get scramble, timer, and best time and average time. So we're gonna test it. We're gonna hold and press there on the hand. This starts. There's the first, and our second best app is Speed Cube Timer. This timer has many abilities. We're gonna get scramble, lifetime average, lifetime best, average of last 5 solves, and average of last 10 solves. So we're gonna test it. The first solve starts with a sound, and after ending we get and the averages our time. And another awesome app is Nano Timer. I like this app because it has cube type like 3x3, 2x2, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, Megamix, Primix, Square 1, Clock, and many more. And solve type. What solve type? CF of OP methods, and one-handed or blindfolded. We're gonna test it. We're getting inspection also, and starts. We get our time right down there. It is an awesome app. So let's go to the next app. And our next app is Finger Timer. This is a famous and awesome app. It's like a real stack match. Whoa. And the touch is very awesome. So I like this app, but it don't have facilities like Speed Cube Timer, Nano Timer, Cube Timer. So let's go in our first and last app, which is my favorite, Rubik's Stopwatch. We get here our choices like 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and many more. We get here time, and we just press there and the time started. So press start. So this is an best app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for my video.